I slither across the land, a servant under Cobra command. I obey Cobra command. The viper strikes at noon. I will be there soon. I am the viper. I slither across the land. Yes, I am the viper. I obey Cobra command. The viper strikes at noon. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. Today, be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. I slither across the land. Yes, I am the viper. I obey Cobra command. The viper strikes at noon. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. I will be there at noon today. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Yes. Be ready. I am the viper. I obey Cobra command. The viper strikes at noon. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. I am the viper. Yes. Be there soon. I will be there soon. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready. Be ready.
He's got the planes.
Yes, you can never win if your enemy is bigger and stronger than you.
You changed the ending?
Yes, to promote Cobra's social philosophy.
How was this accomplished?
Computers, of course. Voice and picture synthesis.
Amazing.
Yes, yes.
I obey Cobra command. The viper strikes at noon. There soon. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. I am the viper.
But, Commander, why move our entire operation to this Himalayan peak?
Because G.I. Joe will never find us here, and we can beam our programs to our satellite with no interference.
I would feel more secure if the Joe's activities were under control.
You lack imagination, Destro. We possess the ultimate weapon of control. People trust television. It's their friend. They believe what television tells them about the news, the weather, or G.I. Joe. Don't you see? We control the creation of truth.
This is the Viper. I be there noon today. Be ready.
The Viper thing knows.